Real talk lang, hindi ka broke dahil kulang ang sweldo mo. You're still broke because you choose comfort over commitment. Ang dami mong break pero hindi ka pa nga nagsisimula. You delay your dreams in exchange for 5 more minutes in bed. Millionaires don't wait for motivation. Gising na habang ikaw nagpapainit pa ng unan. They show up even when no one's watching. They rest only after the work is done. You want the prize pero ayaw mo ng process. Hindi yan success, that's delusion. One failure and you stop. Nag-post ka once, walang likes. Quit agad, gising. Yung financial situation mo, reflection ng daily choices mo. Hindi ng stars. Ang dami mong plano. Todo vision board, todo journal. Pero action, wala. Alam mo ba, yung iba, wala pang 70% ng skills mo. Pero milyon na ang kita. Bakit? Kasi sila kumilos. Ikaw, overthink. Every month, same cycle, sweldo, gastos, reklamo. It's not your salary, it's your strategy. Ang tunay na yaman, hindi lumalampas sa sahod dahil nauubos agad sa add to cart. Walang magic pill, walang secret formula, just discipline, mag-budget, mag-ipon, paulit-ulit, kahit walang nakakita, kahit walang good job. Kasi hindi likes ang sukatan ng tagumpay. Consistency yon. You have to break that cycle now. Start even if no one believes in you. Start even if it's messy. Just show up every single day. Success isn't about being the best. It's about staying consistent when others quit. Para sa bulsa mong pagod. Follow Kuya Katipon for more Meow tips.